To make a treble crochet, we will first have to yarn over twice and then go into your next stitch. Get your yarn around your hook and pull up a loop, and you will have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn around your hook, pull through 2 loops, yarn around your hook and pull through the next 2 loops, and yarn around the hook and pull through the last 2 loops. And this is your treble crochet stitch. Let's do this again. Yarn around your hook twice, go into your next stitch, yarn around your hook and pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn around your hook, pull through 2 loops, yarn around your hook, pull through 2 loops, yarn around your hook and pull through 2 loops. And this is how we make a treble crochet stitch, and this is US crochet terms. In the UK the same stitch is called double treble.